Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today I'll be giving you a short clip or short view or short update on the ongoing works at the Yara Stadium. The video will be playing right now, and you can see that the pitch is, they are working on the pitch right now, and it's going to be classic when they are done with it. And I also hope they fix the chairs. As you can see, some of the chairs are broken, and I hope they fix it. And the other thing I want them to work at the Yara Stadium is network, because when we are watching football match, we have poor network receptions most of the time, and it's difficult to tweet updates from the stadium, especially except you are using some other phone network like mobile network. But for MTN and the rest, you can tweet from there. So I hope they work on network and also work on the toilets, the restroom. They should work on that too, because sometimes it's kept dirty and basically looks unkept. So I hope they fix it very soon, because it's actually outrageous that Kotoko are playing their game at the Accra Sports Stadium instead of the Kumasi, where the fans are. Although there are also fans in Accra and a lot of people come out to watch the boys, but I hope things are sorted very soon. The Sports Authority are stating that by December, that's the ending of this year, that works will be commenced and everything will be completed. I hope they do that, because it will be actually nice if Kotoko can play their remaining games, or the second part of the fixtures at the Yara Stadium next year, because fans will be worried that they have to travel to Accra all the time to watch Asante Kotoko play. So I hope they work things out and resolve everything very soon. So that was all for today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. There's a quick update on the works going on in the Yara Stadium. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and click the notification bell. My name is Clinton Little. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.